What's going on, guys? Another technical analysis for you guys, and thank you guys for your feedback in my previous video, where I asked if you guys like me to make short videos, like couple-minute videos, just to update you guys couple times a day about my technical analysis and where I think Bitcoin could be going. So in my previous video, I mentioned that this blue line should have held Bitcoin, and I mentioned Bitcoin should hold above this blue level, and it did not. It closed it, and you guys see that it has trouble. We are all right now on 4-hour chart, and you guys see that Bitcoin is still having trouble passing this blue line above. So as I predicted in my previous video last night, I mentioned that we were around this area, and I said that we have already done our pullback, and there's a huge possibility that Bitcoin is gonna get rejected and go lower. And you guys see that we had this much drop down to this level. So now I want you guys to pay attention. I am still seeing a little bit of liquidity around this area. Follow my red arrow, and you guys see this area right here. There is a liquidity waiting to be filled, and it totally makes sense that we could go 3 waves down. So we are seeing a little bit of drop around this area, right? And base, and then we're going to probably have another drop down to this level, which will take us down to $62,000. And if you watch my previous video, and make sure to subscribe so you do not miss any of my time sensitive videos. So if you guys remember that I considered this width of this channel right here, and I put that line, I can actually do it again. So what we do is we can put line for width of the beginning of this channel, and after the breakout you can just put it down here, up around this area, and you guys see that it could take Bitcoin down to this level, which it will be around $62,000. So far Bitcoin is not breaking above this level, so you guys need to watch this level very closely. And if it does not break above, which I think it will not, because there is this level, bear with me, there is this level around here which will probably hold Bitcoin, because it should have not broken below that blue line. Now it is ranging below that line, and it is working as a resistance level. So there's a huge possibility that we're gonna head back down to retouch this level, which will be almost $62,000. Then I'm gonna update you guys with more technical analysis to see if we're gonna get a bounce up to, 60 back to $67,000, or we're gonna probably head back down, because in one of my previous videos I mentioned that if we go to the daily chart, I said that I am still expecting that $58,000 to be touched every time we had bounced from minimum of $59,000. That there is a liquidity sitting around 58,000, 57 to $58,000. So that could be a great support for another bounce for Bitcoin, and it will probably fool a lot of people, because let's say if we go back down, crash back down to $58,000 and get another bounce back up, but a lot of people around this area, they're going to think that because we have broken below $59,000, they're going to all get into short. So that will be another opportunity for bigger whales to do the opposite and pump the price one more time. And that would totally make sense with USDT dominance that I have been reviewing with you guys. And as I said, I do not know why a lot of these YouTubers do not even mention it even once in their videos, and they do not even watch it, because USDT pumps the price. So anyways, this is another update for you guys. So I am still waiting for $62,000. Yes, $62,000 to be touched, as long as we are not getting above that blue line, right? So we are still below it. So I would still say that there's huge possibility that we go back down to $62,000. Then I will have to update you guys to see if I see strength on the support, and we're gonna probably head back up, or we're gonna continue going lower down to almost $58,000. All right, so make sure to like the video right now, and please help the channel, subscribe, hit the notification button, share this video with your friends, and comment down below your opinion. I will be back soon. Peace.